Hi, I'm Neil Clifford and I'm Managing Director of ASAFE UK. I've been with the company over 10 years now, and in that time I've seen massive change and growth. When I first started with the company, I remember there were 5 people in the office. We've gone from that to now over 400 people within the group. Since forming as a standalone subsidiary, we've continued to grow. We now have a fantastic team of over 30 people. That includes our installation teams. We also see further strengthening of the team throughout this year in all departments, including the recruitment of further apprentices. ASAFE UK has got a fantastic track record of nurturing apprentices through their training programme and subsequently offering them a great career path. It's encouraging that we've seen further development in the product range and also introducing new technologies into both existing and new markets. We currently have a large number of projects that we're working on, so we see exciting times ahead in 2019 and further development of the ASAFE UK team.